What's a cake without an accurate tin size? We all know how to make a cake, but we don't know what's an accurate tin size. Hi, I'm Chef Aranya, and today I'm going to clear all your doubts regarding all the tin sizes. So for a half kg cake, we always work with 5 inches or 5.5 inches. That is, this is known as your 5 inches, and this is which is slightly bigger, that is known as your 5.5. And for the 1 kg cake, we always work with 7 inches or 7.5 inches. If you want your cakes to be slightly taller, then always go with 7 inches. But if you want your cakes to be slightly broader, then go with 7.5 inches. If you want to make a 1.5 kg cake, then always work with 7.5 inch or 8 inch of cake tin. And if you want your cake to be slightly taller, then go with 7.5. But if you want your cake to be slightly denser, then go with 8 inches of cake tin. Now for the 2 kg of cake tin, always go with 9 inches or 8.5 inches. Again, if you want your cake to be slightly taller, then go with 8.5 inches. But if you want to go with a normal size cake, then go with 9 inches. And similarly, if you want to go with the 2.5 kgs of cake, then always go with 9.5 or 10 inches. Again, if you want your cake to be slightly taller, then go with 9.5, and if you want it to be slightly normal, then go with 10 inches. Now, very basic problem which I have seen with everyone, that is, we go to the store, we know the tin size, but we don't know which tin size is correct. That means, how do we measure the tin size? So today I'm going to show you that what's the right way. So for that, you need a scale. You can go with a bigger or the smaller scale, and always use the back side of the tin and just measure it as I'm showing. Similarly, if you're wondering how do we know that what is the tin size for a heart shape, square shape, or some other shape, so you can simply stick to the same as you're doing for the circle. It will be slightly bigger than the circle because of the shape. If it's a heart shape, then of course the heart area, the width of the heart is going to be more than the circle. And similarly, if you're going for the square tins, then slightly the width is going to be more. But somehow it is going to lie between 5 inches or 5.5 inches or maybe 5.7 inches for a half kg square tin or a heart shaped tin. And similarly, you can follow for all the shapes, all the sizes, whether you're making a 1 kg, 1.5 kg, 2 kg, 2.5 kg or 3 kg, you can simply stick to this. And for more further sizes, that means 3 kg, 3.5 kg, 4 kgs, 5 kgs, I have simply mentioned all the sizes in the description. So make sure you're checking that as well. So now I'm going to show you how do we exactly measure the tin sizes. So suppose this is a circle tin. So always make sure of one thing, that you're not using the bottom or the top. It is always the center, and always start from here and end till here. So if you see, this is exactly 5.5 inches. So this is for our half kg, which means 5.5. And similarly, here we have one more circle, and this is giving me exact 5 inches. As I've already mentioned, either you can use 5.5 or 5 inches, depends on the size or the height of the cake. And similarly, for the heart shape, this is for the half kg. So of course, we're not going to measure from here because this is slightly less in width, and similarly here as well. So we always take this size, that is in the center, and this is exactly 6 inches. As I've already mentioned, if it's a heart shape or a square tin, then might be there will be slight changes in the width because of the shape of the tin. So this is somehow between 6 inches, which we use for half kg of the cake. And similarly for the square also, this is for the half kg, but I am going to show you that what is the size. So this is exact 5.5 inches, and again I'm doing in the center. So that means for the half kg, that is whether it's a circle, whether it's your heart shape, whether it's your square shape or some other shape, you'll always go with 5 inches, 5.5 inches. Only if it's a heart-shaped tin, then you will be going with 6 inches. I hope you find this video helpful, and from the next bakes, make sure you're using correct tin size, because now you have the accurate measurement for all the shapes. And comment below if you want me to explain the 2-tier, 3-tier or 4-tier cake tin sizes as well. Meanwhile, happy baking and keep growing.